Now let's understand about the working of the FlexCAN module in terms of the concepts like message buffer, mailbox, FIFO mechanism, message criteria, and all other concepts which we have understood in the previous CAN controller theory. Okay, understanding about the FlexCAN module from the datasheet of the microcontroller and through the infographics which I have created for easily understanding it. Okay, so FlexCAN module has a message buffer space which is being termed as embedded RAM. Both terms can be used for referring the message buffer space. So we are going to use message buffer and embedded RAM interchangeably with each other. The address range from the offsets 80H to 27H 5H allocates the 32 128-bit message buffer MBs. Now 128-bit is basically a 16 byte in bytes. Okay, that is 32 16 bytes of message buffers for the FlexCAN module in K1 series. Now, as told in the above, that each instance in the above we have told that each instance has different number of message buffers. So FlexCAN 1 and 2 has 16 message buffers. So it means FlexCAN 1 and 2 can incorporate 16 message buffers in this statement. So in that case, for the FlexCAN 1 and 2, we will be having 16 into 16, that is 256 bytes of message buffer space be there for FlexCAN 1 and 2, whereas for FlexCAN 0, which can incorporate 32 message buffers, so it means 32 into 16 equals to 512 bytes. This is the memory area that on which our CAN data processing is gonna happen. Processing of data by we mean CAN transmission, reception, mailbox configuration, FIFO box configuration, and all those things. Okay, now from the data sheet, how we got this information? So now as this is our message buffer space, okay, so now from 0x80, 81, 82, 83, okay, so these spaces would be taken by the first row. Then second, starting from the 4H priority IDA standard extension, this would be occupied by the 84, 85, 86, 87 memory spaces. Then correspondingly data would be started from the 88, the last two elements of the data message buffer structure. Okay, from 88, 89 till 90. So guys, now let's understand about this message buffer from a practical point of view. So now we have got to know that the FlexCAN instance 0, 1 and 2 have these respective message buffers at these addresses which are mentioned. So now if you will open the one of our demo codes into the design studio in a debug mode, and you just open the embedded system registers view, over there you can see all the registers, memory registers of the peripherals of the microcontroller. So in our case we are using K144 for a demonstration and the demo projects. So in that, if you will go to FlexCAN and over there FlexCAN 0, so you will see there are registers by the name of RAM and 0, RAM and 1, 2, 3. These are basically your embedded RAM, and as the FlexCAN instance 0 has memory from 2 till 27F. Okay, so if you will navigate to this area, that is RAM and 128 variable, 127, that is the last one till 240. So that is how this memory is also being divided. We write first 4 bytes here, next 4 bytes here, next 4 bytes here, next 4 bytes here. So you can see total there are 128 from starting from 0 to 127 to 128 into 4. That comes out to be 512 bytes.